Dude. So what's your first name?
Jesse.
And what troop are you in?
92.
And so you sold a lot of popcorn this year? And that's a yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Over 1,000.
Really? And was it hard?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. A lot of man hours at the giveaway, or not giveaway, but like the booth.
The booth in the store?
The sale booth, yeah.
Yeah. Did you sell neighbor to neighbor or any of that type of stuff? Yeah. And if you were to tell a brand new Boy Scout what he should do to make sure he sold the most, what would you say?
Try really hard and put a lot of work into it.
What was your personal goal?
1,000.
Yeah? And why'd you set 1,000?
Because I make more than 1,000 every year, and I wasn't trying my hardest this year. I was trying to make enough to go to Philmont. So.
And you've done this before? For how many years?
Since I was a kindergartner.
Wow. And what grade are you in now?
Freshman.
Freshman. Awesome. Anything else? What do you like best about Scouts?
Getting to do stuff like this.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
That always makes it worth it. Oh.